The handstand against a wall is a beginner handstand progression that I'm currently using to build up to the freestanding handstand. When I was brand new to being upside down, I found kicking up into a handstand against a wall while facing out is easier. However, as you can see in this side-by-side video, it incorrectly reinforces the banana back where your back is arched. This doesn't put your body in the correct shoulder and hip position to be able to hold a freestanding handstand. So once you're comfortable being upside down, progress up to the facing in handstand against a wall. To get started, while standing facing away from the wall, bend over to place your hands on the floor, shoulder width apart. With your core strong, slowly walk your feet up the wall while walking your hands as close to the wall as you can to make your body vertical with your toes pointed. While looking at your hands, focus on gripping the floor with your fingers and pushing up through your shoulders. Once you're ready to come down, keep your core strong and walk your feet down the wall. Subscribe for more Live Lean TV daily exercises.